rolling with the lacrosse ball here. And in this case, we're going to do it for the wrist flexors. So you want to tell your clients to have a nice open spread finger hand, apply a little bit of pressure, tension, not pain, find that little nodule of tightness. They can also do a little wrist flex at the start, add pressure, extend and open if they want to get a little of that soft tissue stretching while they're at it. While still keeping it simple but portable, they can also be in a one leg kneeling and do the same thing on their thigh. Of course, there's also the other side. They can even manually do it with one hand. And we're recommending the wrist here because many people, young and old, feel quite a bit of tightness in their wrist flexors and extensors due to tight workstations or just general restrictions from mobile devices. There you go.